Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today this is my next lesson in the HTML series, learning series. So this session is about inserting lists in HTML or lists in web page using HTML. So first of all, I would like to show you what kinds of lists we can make in HTML. Actually, there are three kinds of lists: ordered, unordered, and definition lists. So ordered list are, for example, 1 2 3 type, or they are numbered actually: ABC, capital ABC, or Roman numerals or capital Roman numerals. Unordered are the bulleted ones, having bullets like circles or squares or any image. And the third one is definition lists, which are in the form of like definition and its answer. So whenever we write notes, so we write the definition first, and then we give one line break, and then we write its definition. So definition lists are like those type of lists, and we rarely use these kind of lists in web page. We have other tools to display effect like this. So today I will be focusing on ordered and unordered mainly. So I'm just opening a new notepad document, and first start with the basic tags, HTML, head, and next is title. So title is ordered lists, and close title, and then close head, and then start body. In my previous section I've already explained you that there are basically two sections in an HTML document: head and body. So in body section, the tag which we'll use to start our order list is OL, ordered list, in short OL. So the tag name is OL, and the next tag that we'll be using is LI. Now LI is list item. For example, I have to type a list having the names of the fruits. For example, I have a list of 3 fruits: apple, orange, and banana. So I have to take 3 list items. So first of all, I am taking apple, closing LI. LI is also a container tag, and OL is also a container tag. Container tags which requires closing like this. I've closed it. And the third list item is banana. So close it, and then at last close OL. So I'm quickly closing everything, and at last I'm closing HTML tag also. See, nowadays we have browsers with advanced features, so sometimes if you forgot to close the tags, it will work. There would not be any difficulty in the functioning. But since it is not a good practice not to close the tags and keep it open, so I would suggest you all to close the tags properly, give it a proper indented look, so that you can show it to any other person, so that it will be easy to understand also. So I have saved it, and I'm quickly going back just to check how it is looking in a browser. So just right click, open with Google Chrome. See, this is my list, very basic list, and I have not given any type. By default the type is 1 2 3, that is numbered. Now what if I want to change the type of the list? So the attribute is type is equal to, now suppose I want it in a format of ABC, so just type is equal to ABA, and save it. Come back to your browser and refresh the changes. See, similarly, if you want in Roman, just type I here, save the changes, and refresh here like this. So if you want capital A, just put capital A, save, and refresh. If you want capital Roman, yeah, you are right, you have to type I in capitals. So just save. So suppose it happens that we don't want to start our list from the initial number, that means the starting number. We want our list to start from D, let's say. So just type the format, give the type. For example, I don't want Roman, I want alphabets, but I want to start from A. No, not A, D. So we have to give number 4. For example, A, B, C, and D. D comes on number 4. So we have to give that numeric number here in the start attribute. So just save it and see the changes. Come here. Now see, that the list is starting from D now. D, E and F, since I have given start is equal to 4. So this way you can manipulate list items in your list. Now another type of list is UL, that is unordered list. But with unordered list we don't have type attributes like these, though we have type attribute, but its value will differ a bit, like in the sense we don't have numbers in unordered list, we have bullets. So we can have three types of values in type: circle, rest will remain same, like li you have to use in ul also, and you have to close with /ul. List item will remain same in ordered list as well as in unordered list, because we have list items in both type of lists. Type is equal to circle, I'm typing here. Now see the change, I've typed equal to circle, then click on save and come back to your browser, refresh the changes. See, this type of list is coming. Now next is just type disk. Let's see what it will show. So filled circle is disk, you all know. And the third type of value is square. Save, come here and refresh. See, I want to try one more. I've never tried, but since there is nothing wrong in trying, and you know the subject is based upon that, so UL type is equal to triangle. Let's see the, so it's not working and disk is coming. So these three values will only work in this HTML language. If you want any other type of bullet, what you can use is CSS. Now CSS is cascading style sheets. Now those give a beautiful style. CSS is used to give a beautiful style to your web pages. It's used in so many websites, and nowadays it is very common, and you will find thousands and thousands of applications of CSS online. So I would suggest you to use CSS to beautify your web page, or anything. Like CSS comes with bundles, with packages. You have to use their classes and IDs to enable that effect in your web page. So after the completion of our HTML series, I'll start with my CSS series. So just stay connected, and that's all for today. In my next series I'll show you how to make a nested list. Now nested list is a list within a list. Suppose we want to have a sub list of main list, so we can create that using nested lists. So thank you for watching this video, and in my next video I'll give you an idea how to create a nested list, plus how to insert hyperlinks in a web page. Thank you very much.